In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a button to a page in Squarespace. If you want to guide visitors from one part of your site to another, adding a linked button is a simple and effective way to do it. Buttons are great for calls to action like sending people to a contact page, a services page, or any other internal page on your website. In Squarespace, this process is quick once you know where to click. To get started, open the page or section of your Squarespace site where you want the button to appear. From there, click Add Block. This lets you insert a new content element into the page layout. If you don't see it right away, move your cursor around the section until the option appears. Once the block menu opens, choose Button. This adds a button block to your page so you can customize both the text and the destination. As soon as the button is placed, you'll be able to edit it to match the purpose of your page. Next, click the pencil icon on the button block. This opens the button settings, where you can control how the button looks and what it does. If you're ever unsure whether you're editing the correct block, just look for the settings panel tied directly to that button. Now edit the button text. This is the label visitors will actually see, so make it clear and action focused. For example, use something short and direct that tells people exactly where the button will take them. Clear wording helps improve clicks and makes your site easier to navigate. After that, click Attach Link. This is the key step that connects the button to another page. Squarespace gives you linking options, and in this case, you'll be choosing an internal page from your own website. Click on the link field to open the available options. This field is where you define the destination of the button. When you click into it, Squarespace will allow you to browse and select the appropriate page. Then, from the drop-down, choose the page you want to link the button to. Make sure you select the correct page so visitors are sent exactly where you intend. This is especially helpful if your site has multiple similar page names, so take an extra second to confirm your selection. And that's it. Once the link is attached, your button will direct visitors to the page you selected. It's a small change, but it can make your website much more intuitive and user-friendly. After setting it up, it's always a good idea to preview the page and test the button to make sure everything works as expected.